Welcome home, voice actors. My name is Dave Soltura, and I am the founder of Voice Actors at Home PH, and I do not sound like this. Yan po ang boses ko. Welcome home po sa VAPH, where our goal is to help 200 Filipinos earn full-time voice acting incomes by 2023, and hopefully, kasama ka sa 200 na yon. You're in great company with any of our coaches. You cannot go wrong with anyone. We're all vetted professionals. Pero ako personally, ang specialty ko is business. This includes job stability, systems, social media, finding work as a voice actor in general. I also love character voices. It's kind of like the reason I got into voice acting itself, because I am completely an anime fan. So there's that. And English reads. Any read, whatever genre it is, as long as it's in English, that's one of the things that I specialize in, because we do have clients across the world over 6 continents. So yun po, I'm looking forward to seeing you in our coaching sessions, and paano? Kita-kits!